So far, Instagram has been good to navigate and bad to complete a purchase. Purchase through the photo-sharing application requires opening a browser window and waiting to discover a payment enabled for mobile devices. The experience was clumsy, at best. But that is finally changing, as Instagram slowly launches native payments. According to TechCrunch, the proprietary Facebook application has begun to give some U.S. users the ability to add a debit or credit card to their account. The payment functionality complements the ability to book services such as salon appointments, which Instagram submitted last spring. By introducing native payments, Instagram becomes more attractive to smaller companies that may not have the means to design and build their own sturdy safes. The measure also increases the value of the ads that Instagram can offer, assuming that conversion rates increase. At the other end of the spectrum, payment companies are making it easier for merchants to create their own e-commerce experiences.